So hello learners and investors, welcome to the breakout session. So here as promised we have brought three stocks for you: Ajanta Pharma, Voltas and NMDC, and in all of these you will get a very good swing and investing opportunity. So Ajanta Pharma, here as you can see, Ajanta Pharma is moving in a consolidation zone. Observe this point. See, in all the breakout sessions we'll not just bring the breakout videos, we'll also clear out some very basic concepts of technical analysis. So you'll have to be very focused. If possible, keep a pen and paper ready with you so that whatever concepts comes in between, you can write it down. It has been in consolidation since January. In May, stock broke this resistance and it went up. Just see the volume here, guys. Volume was so low and then it started rising. And at this point, you see the volume. Here it has already broken and now it is testing this resistance as a support. So what we will do, so we'll wait for it to come here, test it and then go back. Remember, never buy a downtrend stock. Wait for it to come and touch the support line, and then when it starts rising, at that point we have to buy. So keep Ajanta Pharma on radar. We may get 10 to 20% return in near future seeing rally in pharma sector. So let's move on to the next stock. Our next stock is Voltas. So in Voltas you can see it has been moving in consolidation zone. If it breaks this zone, it will go high. Just see the volume here. As it is going up, the volumes are increasing. Now just wait for this to cross this resistance line. Once it crosses, we will confirm it by the volume. Remember, there is always false breakout, so if it's a clear breakout, volume always follows through. Confirm it by the volume. If it clears and crosses this line, the immediate target will be 10%, that is 1100. We'll enter at 1030. So let's come to our next stock, which is NMDC. It will be a multi-bagger stock in coming time because from January 2020 it is forming a rounding bottom pattern, and here you see the speciality of rounding bottom is once the neckline, this is the neckline, once the neckline is broken and if the stock sustains, it is said to be a clear breakout. So here as you can see it has broken and the stock has sustained, and see the interesting thing, here you see the volume. This is a clear indication of breakout. So at this point you see the rally in this stock, awesome rally, somewhere around 50% in just 1 month. So this is what happens when rounding bottom pattern is broken, that too after 1 year. You'll be amazed. See this and just see the markings here: 2014, 2017, 2012, 13. So this was in 2012, last high was in 2012. After that it has been consolidating. Now it is going to break 2012's level. That means after 9 years this is going to break that level. And see the increase in volume. Whoa, wonderful volume, clear breakout. Now if we move on to the daily chart, we'll see some story going on here. The stock went up and then now it is coming down, and see the volume here. Volume is decreasing. So when volume decreases after breakout, that means the stock is retesting the support, and after here it will again bounce back. 50% was the run up when it broke the rounding bottom pattern of 1 year. Now imagine what would happen once it breaks this particular resistance. This is going to be broken after 9 years, double bottom pattern. So this stock is going to boom very soon. Keep it for long time. It may give you multi-bagger return of 1 to 2 times and some 25 to 50% profit in mid-term. And if you hold it for long term, it might prove to be a multi-bagger. Thank you for watching the video. So if you like the content and effort, subscribe the channel, hit the like button. Stay happy, stay motivated and stay invested. Bye bye, see you soon.